This video I'm going to teach you how to pass contact property values with hidden form fields in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your marketing and then locate the option for forms. So let's click on this right here. Once you have it, open the form that you want to edit. Let's head over and edit this one. Now, once you have your form open, next thing you need to do is you need to add the property that you want to pass. So for this case, head over and then add a property by either clicking onto the plus icon or clicking onto this in order to add a step. And also click on this plus icon in order to add a field for this case. So for this, let's head over and add a contact properties. Click on properties right here. Then locate the contact property that you want. So for example, let's add right here the street address. This is just an example. Just add it right here. And then we just need to set its value. So head over and click on this pencil icon to edit the field. It will open right here this. So scroll down, click onto this hidden field. And once you have hidden it, under the field options, you need to actually choose default value or start perimeter. So you just need to add that and test the form if it works. So that's all there is today. If you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.